Remnants of thick walls surround this ancient port city on the northern coast of Israel. We are in Akko, known in the Bible as Accra, to visit a city that has been controlled for more than 2,000 years, off and on, by Egyptian, Greek, Roman, Byzantine, Crusader, Islamic, Ottoman, British, and Israeli rulers. The modern city of Akko has about 49,000 residents. But our visit focused on the 12th and 13th centuries when Christian crusaders fought to take back the Holy Land from the Muslims. Military expeditions sent by European monarchs and the Roman Catholic Church built an extensive fortress compound in Akko, part of which survives today. From the courtyard of the citadel, we see a nearby mosque, reminding us of the enduring Islamic presence in this part of Israel. But our attention turns now to the Akko prison that was in active use well into the 20th century. In fact, our guide Zivit told us that her father was one of several Jews imprisoned there for a short time during the British Mandate, which ended in 1948. An early map traces the many expeditions of the Crusades during the Middle Ages, showing Jerusalem prominently as the focal point. We enter now a great hall, which is believed to have been the refectory or dining hall of the complex. Its Gothic vaulting reminds us of Europe's cathedrals. The military monastic order known as the Knights Templar had been driven from Jerusalem, where they had guarded the Temple Mount, and took charge of protecting pilgrims at Akko in what is now called a hospitaller fortress. As we wander through the Knights' halls, we see banners of the Crusaders. This one represents Richard the Lionheart, who led forces of the Third Crusade. Other halls have been restored and enhanced with mural art and dramatic lighting that portrays Crusader scenes. Here's a market street, as it might have appeared in medieval times. You are invited to take a walk. A tunnel was built leading from the fortress to the port, a distance of 350 meters. It provided a protected way to move supplies. The lower part is hewn out of rock, but the upper part and arch are built out of stones. The tunnel was discovered in 1994 when a woman living above it complained about a blocked sewer. Clearly, there's more of this fortress to be excavated. Our path takes us through what's called the Enchanted Garden as we head over to the nearby mosque. The Great Mosque of Al-Jazar was built in 1781 and is unrivaled for its beauty. The smaller structure you see here covers the source of fresh water for the mosque. We were fortunate to be able to go inside. The mosque is closed to visitors 5 times daily for prayers. Within the old city of Akko, about 95% of the residents are Arab. Outside of the old city, the Arab population drops to about 1/3. The other dominant faiths are Jewish, Christian, Druze, and, believe it or not, Baha'i. When we leave the mosque, we find ourselves in old Akko's lively markets. The city's many cultural heritages are represented here. But enough talk. Feel free to browse. There are coffees for every taste, and lots of spices to choose from.